Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm going to try something interesting today. This is a foam ball from the dollar store, and I have put a nail through the back of my canvas through that. I saw Wigglz Art do a similar experiment, but I think he turns his on his spinner, and I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pour right over it. I will probably leave the ball on there as part of the painting, but who knows? We'll see how this comes out. So I do need about 12 ounces of paint. And so we're going to just go with a bunch of different colors here. I'm going to use a little bit of this blue just because I have it. This is the MyArtscape Phthalo blue. I had mixed some up for a project and then didn't end up using it. So it's gonna go in here. It's a bit of a darker blue than the Artist Loft. And here's the Artist Loft. All the colors are mixed with Floetrol and water. And I need, this is a 14 by 14 canvas, and as you can probably see, it's painted purple. I did a pour on it before that I didn't like, so I'm reusing it for this experiment. Kind of just in case I don't like it. So, yeah. I guess we're going with rainbow colors. And I didn't put too much white in there, so it will probably be a little bit on the darker side. Okay, that should be enough. I'm gonna get everything out of the way and then we'll do our pour. All right, I'm pretty excited. First of all, look how fun the cup looks. But if anything, this will just be fun. It will be a very unique pattern. You know, let's do this. I'm going to bring you down by the side for a little bit. I think this will be a bit of a better angle for this project. So here we go. Very cool. So if anything, it at least makes a really cool video. But so far, this looks just amazing. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna let that kind of drip down for a while, and then I'm gonna bring you back to the up top view. All right, I don't want to stretch this too much, so I'm actually gonna add a little more paint around the edges. Okay, that should be good. All right, let's see if we can tilt this thing. Now remember that that thing's just attached by a little nail, so it's not like super duper secure. It's definitely affecting the pattern on here. Wow. That is amazing. And the pattern that was created because of the ball being there, crazy cool. Super cool. Okay, let's let this sit here for a little bit, and then we will do our close-up. All right, this is the lower right-hand corner. Up to the upper right-hand corner. I love this corner. And look at that awesome lacing. Okay, over to the upper left-hand corner. Now see this like kind of river through here? That was created by the ball. So that specific pattern is in there because of that ball. And then this is the lower left-hand corner. This piece has so many friggin' cool parts, I can't decide what is my favorite. So I was gonna post this tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna post it today because I need your votes. leave the ball on there or take it off. I think it looks awesome either way. If we leave it on there, it becomes, you know, a 3D painting. Definitely unique, adds a point of interest on there. And we can also take it off and it would be super cool as well. So obviously I would want to do this while the painting is wet, I think, so that it can kind of fill that spot in. But anyways, give me your votes. Leave the ball on or take the ball off. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time.